Yo, I'm telling you, fam. We are going to do this. I'm telling you, you guys don't believe me what's going. Look at this. Look, I want you guys to read that. Read that and say it to yourself. This is how, like, why would I be doing this if it haven't been working for me? Why would I even waste time doing this? Why would I waste time doing this if it hasn't been working? Because this works.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.
What is up, family? It's been a couple of days and it's been a little while. I'm sorry, it's been a little while. All right, so I've been working. I've been working. And yes, you see, I'm drinking some smoothie. That's my protein breakfast smoothie. I have it every morning. So if I have like smoothie on my face, don't mind it. It's not crust. It's just my smoothie, okay? But anyways, I have something cool I want to do today. I want to do something fun today in my new office, right? As you guys can see, I'm running ads right now. I'm trying to wait for one to get in review. I'm spending lots of money on ads. You guys can see right now those, but that's not what this video is about. I don't even know why I just showed you that. But yeah, I just want to show you that I've been working, guys. So it's a lot. Let me tell you something. Let me be honest with you guys. It's a lot different from the retail arbitrage lifestyle, okay? Where you're just out and about all day. I really haven't been out and about. I haven't sourced anything, okay? I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I've been working in other ways. I've been making affiliate commissions online. Literally, you honestly, you almost go negative every time at the beginning, and then you start going positive because you got to do email sequences and things like that. But if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll post a link to the end of this video on how to, step by step, what do you need to do to be successful in what I'm doing now. But anyways, what I'm doing today, I showed you guys how I manifested the office, right? Pretty cool. I manifested the office, and I manifested a lot of other things too, like money, right? Sales, and been manifesting a lot. Like my daughter is back in my life 100%. Yeah, so there's some things in my personal life that you guys didn't know about that I will get to in another video. But yeah, my daughter's back. And yeah, I just been manifesting super high positive things. So it's taking me to a level where I'm getting addicted to it. Like, it's working so beautifully. I'm getting addicted to positive affirmations. And what am I gonna do today? So we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Here we have my laser printer, right? And I got my whole setup here. And we're gonna put the laser printer to the test. We're gonna put the laser printer to the test because I am gonna cover my office with affirmations. Because I know it works. It's ridiculous. It's been working for me. Everything that I've been asking for has been coming. So I'm going high. It's like levels. And I'm going higher and higher up. So the next step is like to keep it going, to keep these affirmations going, to keep the manifestations going. And yeah, so I'm going to cover my entire office with affirmations. All right. My positive affirmations, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with it because I thought it would be cool, because you gotta live what you preach. You guys think I'm just saying this stuff, right? You guys think I'm just saying, hey, there's a link in the description to the things I'm doing, and no, I'm really doing that, and it's really bringing changes. Like just the other day, we were house hunting. Like I'm looking at new townhomes, right? Like it's insane. And you guys are gonna see some videos soon on me looking at new townhomes for bigger space. Everything's growing, you guys don't even understand. Like, this stuff is real. So for those of you that want to be a part of this, I told you already, I put a link in the description. Join the movement, join the reality of just join what is working. I mean, for those of you that are believers, if you're not, you're skeptical, you already don't even listen. I don't even want to deal with the ones that don't believe. All right, so that's on you. That's your life, your future, just on you. But I'm telling you right now, once you start to change this, once you start to really work on this, once you start to invest in this, I'm telling you, this is what all the wealthy people do. You guys just don't understand, right? And there's a very, very cheap way to do it too. It doesn't have to be super expensive, which is why I left a link in the description to what I'm doing. So I don't spend a lot of money on, I don't spend a ton of money on tweaking this. You don't need to necessarily. As you grow, you make more, then you spend more on that, right? Then you go to, you go to conferences, you go to events, and you spend to travel the world and see things that you couldn't see before, like what I'm about to do soon, right? So, but at the beginning, you don't need to spend a lot. Like, so this is why I'm trying to help you guys out. It's not what you think. It's not some high ticket course and anything like that. But I'm not. This video is not about that. This is for those of you that want to know what I'm doing and how all this stuff is becoming possible and why I'm having such a good life and feeling so amazing, right? So I'm about to put affirmations all over this office, to say the least. I'm gonna print. I'm gonna use the laser printer. I'm gonna design my affirmations, and I'm just gonna keep them simple and I'm gonna keep them simple and sweet. And yeah, I'm just gonna print them out. Maybe I get one wall done today, maybe I get the whole office done today, I don't know, but we're gonna start today. And for those of you, like I said, that want to know why I'm doing stuff like this and why my whole ecosystem changed for the better, if you guys want to know why, I told you I'm gonna leave a link, and that's up to you. But without further ado, family, yeah, I'm gonna get to printing. Let's go. So we got the first affirmations printed out, bunch of them right here, right? We got the second version of them being printed. I don't know why my other computer wasn't working with the laser printer, but we figured out a way, busted out the second computer. Yo, I'm telling you, fam, we are going to do this. I'm telling you, you guys don't believe me what's going. Look at this. Look, I want you guys to read that. Read that and say it to yourself. This is how, like, why would I be doing this if it haven't been working for me? Why would I even waste time doing this? Why would I waste time doing this if it hasn't been working? Because this works. I'm telling you. You guys want to know more? I'm telling you. Click the link in the description. You guys want to know more why I'm doing this. But I got my first set of affirmations done. This one, right, with the word million. Then I got this one with the number million. You get what I'm saying? So I can see it in two different forms. I'm gonna design some more affirmations, some different affirmations, right? And yeah, and then we're just gonna fill up my office. We're gonna fill up my office with my affirmations, so I see them every single day. Yeah, boy. The very first one up on the wall, and we got a ton more to go, and I'm gonna print some more if we need to. So let me just get some of these going. How's that looking? Looking pretty darn good, if you ask me. Okay, family, look at this. Covered the entire wall, almost. We got some space over here. Got a little space over here. To be honest with you guys, I ran out of some papers. That's it. So I'm gonna get some more. And it actually took me longer than I thought. But as you can see, it is the beginning, and I'm taking this very serious. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish this entire room, get some more paper, and I'm gonna print it all out, and I'm finishing everything. All this wall over here, everything up there, above there, maybe even a ceiling if I got time, right? But this is what you're gonna see. I'm not playing any games, guys, and like I said, I'm doing this for several reasons, right? This is everything I do here is stuff that works for me. Okay, that's the difference. I'm not trying to show you guys anything. I'm not trying to do anything just for YouTube. Everything that I do is for me, you know, and I just want to show you guys what is working for me and how I'm changing my life and how I'm making money and how just whatever's working for me, right? So I'm being a little bit selfish, to be honest, because I'm not thinking about what anyone thinks. I don't care. So yeah, this right here is what works for me. Just to see this every single day when I come to my office. I need to. So I'm gonna cover the rest of every wall, okay, with these. That being said, guys, I ran out of paper, and it's getting late in the day anyway. This took longer than I thought, honestly, but not even the printing process. Actually, I printed all these out super fast with the laser printer, but just putting them up took longer than I thought. But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna finish. This will get done. I will finish. Until the next time, though, you guys already know. It is peace and love. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I do crazy stuff like this, and to help, with whatever I'm doing to make money. Like, I'm making money online, affiliate marketing. I got some ads running. I'm gonna show you guys ads. I'm gonna show you guys how to do whatever it is I do. I'm gonna show you guys my lifestyle. I'm gonna show you guys the new houses I'm looking at. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So hit the subscribe. Enjoy the fam. It is peace and love. I'll see you guys next time. I am out. Peace.